Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube channel ID using just your mobile device. This is super useful for linking your channel to other platforms or for any other settings that require your YouTube channel ID. So let's dive right in. Okay, so first you have to simply open up any web browser on your phone. And here you have to simply type in youtube.com. Okay, so now here you have to simply tap on the three dots at the top right and simply tap on desktop site. This will open up the desktop mode on your phone. And now you have to simply tap on your profile icon at the top right. And from this menu, you have to simply tap on settings. And once you are in the settings page, you will see a bunch of options at the top left. And here you have to simply tap on advanced settings. And now you can see the first one is your user ID and the second one is your channel ID. You can tap on copy to copy your unique channel ID to your clipboard. And once you copy it, you can share it with anyone that you like. And that's how you can quickly find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.